Namaste guys, welcome to Hypothesis Tech. Today I want to announce that I am starting a new series on my channel in which I will teach the basics of Linux for absolute beginners. So this is very important series on my channel. So stay tuned for the later part of the video, but before starting the video, let's roll the intro. So welcome back guys. So this is the first part of our Linux series in which we will look upon some important points which will lead us to become zero to hero in Linux, and this series is going to be for absolute beginners who have just started to learn Linux and they are very eager to learn about Linux, right? First let's look at some points which are very important before starting learning Linux, right? So I have pointed some points that I will cover up in my whole course in this series, right? So the first very important point is why should you learn Linux, right? We all want to learn Linux, but we don't know why we should learn Linux. We have just created an hype in our minds, and we have very wrong information that Linux is everything, but we will see everything that why should you learn Linux, right? Very second important point is Linux an OS, which means an operating system, or Linux is in kernel, right? We will see a very detailed video about that in which I will clear all your myths that is Linux an OS or is Linux in kernel. In the later part of this course we will cover up in topic which is about Linux versus Unix, right? If you are not familiar with the terms Unix, I will make you familiar with that also. We will see the differences between Linux and Unix also. So in the more forward part of the course we will look upon some topics like distros in Linux, which will be very interesting part in this course, in which we will get introduced to many flavors which Linux is offering to us, and we will see what is yum and what is apt. All this stuff will be covered up, right? So in the later part of the course we will also see that how can we work upon an Linux system without installing it, right? We will also see this, and if we want to install it over our operating systems which we are currently working upon, say you are working upon Windows or you may be working upon Mac OS, so we will see that how you can install an Linux into your system using Oracle VirtualBox, right? Later we will also see the differences between terminal and shell, which maybe some of you having a myth about that, what is terminal and what is shell, right? So in the final part of this course we will be seeing the commands which everyone teaches in their first video, right? We will see it in the last part of this course, right? So let's start with the course and stay tuned for the next video.